Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve practice set 16.2 lesson 16 volume and surface area of standard 8 of Maharashtra State Board. The total practice set is depends on the concept of curved surface area and total surface area of a cylinder. So for that you need to remember two formulae. Curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 into pi into r into h, where r is radius of the base of the cylinder and h is height of the cylinder. And total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 into pi into r into the bracket r plus h. Right? So let's go. First question is, in each examples given below, radius of base of a cylinder and its height are given. Radius r and height h is given, r and h. Then find the curved surface area and total surface area. In these examples, r and h are directly given, so no need to write the given part. I am going to write the solution directly. Okay, what is find that also is given. So for first question, curved surface area. The formula for curved surface area is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. What are there in the formula? 2 is a constant number. Pi 22 upon 7, that is also a constant number. R is given. H is also given. So we can directly find out curved surface area is equal to, by replacing the values, 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 7 into h is equal to 10. So that is equals to, by applying test of divisibility, this 7 will cut. So what is remain? 2 into 22 into 10. So that is equals to 22 2s are 44. 22 2s are 44. 44 into 10. So just append a 0 after it. So 440. We are finding area. Unit of area is, in which unit information is given? Centimeter. So unit of area is centimeter square or square centimeter. So curved surface area of first cylinder is equals to 440 centimeter square or square centimeter. Now let us find out total surface area. Total surface area is equal to 2 pi r into the bracket r plus h. That is equals to, once again, what is there in the formula? 2 is a constant number. Pi 22 upon 7, that is also a constant number. We know it. R given, h given. So we can find out. So let's find by replacing values. 2 multiplied by pi is 22 upon 7 multiplied by r. R is nothing but radius, that is equals to 7 multiplied by into the bracket. What is there in the bracket? R plus h. R is 7 plus h. H is 10. So that is equals to, according to BODMAS, we have to solve the bracket first. So 10 plus 7 is 17. So now totally the question will be 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by this 7, right? This 7 multiplied by this bracket. So 7 multiplied by this bracket is 7 plus 10, 17. Clear? Now just apply test of divisibilities. So this 7 will cut. So what is remain? 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 17. So total surface area is equal to 48 square centimeter or centimeter square. As we are finding area, unit of the area, please remember that is in the square. Unit of volume is in cube. So this difference please remember, guys. Now let us find for the second example. For second example, once again, curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. That is equals to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 into r. R is given 1.7 into h. H is equal to 2.1. We can apply test of divisibility. So this 1.4 we can divide by 7. 2.1 also we can divide by 7. So if we will divide 1.4 by 7, so answer will be 0.2, right? 1 is smaller than 7, so here will be 0, 1 minus 0, 1, At the place of decimal, we will give decimal point 14. 7 to the 14. So the question will be 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 0.2 multiplied by 2.1. Therefore, curved surface area is equal to multiplication of all these numbers. 1848. Clear? This is the multiplication. Now we have to decide the decimal digits. There are total 2 decimal digits. So after 2 places, I will give the decimal point. Units are given in centimeters. So this is equals to 18.48 centimeter square or square centimeter. Clear, guys? Total surface area of cylinder is equals to 2 into pi into r multiplied by into the bracket r plus h. So that is equals to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 into r. R is what? 1.4 into the bracket r plus h. So 1.4 plus 2.1. So that is equals to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 1.4 multiplied by, according to Bodmas, I have to solve this bracket first, multiplied by 3.5. So this is equals to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 1.4 multiplied by 3.5. 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35. Both are divisible by 2, by 7. So any one number I can divide by 7. I will divide this 3.5 by 7. So multiplication is, here will be 7 on the 7, here will be 0.5. 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 1.4 multiplied by 0.5. Now this 0.5 multiplied by 2. 22 multiplied by 1.4 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 2 means multiplied by 1. So ultimately this is nothing but 22 multiplied by 1.4, that is equals to, so multiplication is 308. One decimal point is there, decimal digit is there in the total multiplication. So that is equals to 30.8 centimeter. So centimeter square or square centimeter. Got it, guys? So total surface area of cylinder in the second example is 30.8 square centimeter. To write the second example, I have to rub the board. So please note down whatever there is on the board. Thank you, guys. Next question is question number 2 from practice set 16.2. Lesson 16. Volume and surface area of standard 8 of Maharashtra State Board. So let's see the question. Question is find the total surface area of a closed cylindrical drum. So it is mentioned, the figure, the shape is cylinder. Finish. So find the total surface area of a closed cylindrical drum. Given is cylinder and we have to find its total surface area. So what we have to find? Total surface area is equal to how much? Okay. If its diameter is 50 centimeter, what is given? Diameter, which is denoted as D. D is equal to 50 centimeter. And its height, H, is equal to 45 centimeter. Pi is equal to 3.14. There are two values of pi. One is in fraction, that is 22 upon 7. Another is in decimal, that is 3.14. Normally we have to use 22 upon 7 unless and until it is not mentioned that use 3.14. So in this given example, it is mentioned use pi is equal to 3.14. So here we have to use 3.14 as pi. Clear? So let's go. Solution. Students, here we have to find out total surface area. Formula for total surface area is equal to 2 pi r multiplied by into the bracket r plus h. So the formula contains pi, which is given, h, which is given, r, which is not given. So is there any clue to given? Find out r. Yes, diameter d is given, and based on diameter d we can find out radius r, because radius r is half of the diameter. So r is equal to d upon 2, that is equals to 50 upon 2. Therefore r radius is equal to 25 centimeter. radius is equal to 25 centimeter. Height is also given in centimeter. Everything is given in centimeter. No need to change any kind of unit. Just bang on target. Total surface area is equal to 2 pi r into the bracket r plus h. Replace the values. 2 multiplied by pi, we have to use 3.14 into r, that is equals to 25, into the bracket r plus h, r is 25 plus h is equals to 45. Clear guys? Now according to BODMAS we have to solve this bracket first. So let's go. 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 25 plus 45, that is equals to 5 plus 5 0, carried 1, 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7, 70. So 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 70. Now what to do? As per our strategy of multiplication, we have to multiply bigger number first. So I am going to multiply these two numbers first. Reason, because at the end I just have to multiply by 2 and 7, which is easier, right? So 3.14 multiplied by 25, that is equals to 2 multiplied by multiplication of 3.14 multiplied by 25. Another reason is 25 for the 100. So few decimals are going to remove. 25 for the 100, 10 carried. 25 on the 25 plus 10, 35, 3 carried. 25 3 is 75 plus 3, 78. Okay, decimal point after 2 digits. So 78.50, which can be written as 78.5. So 2 multiplied by 78.5 multiplied by 70. Now this 78.5 I will multiply by 70 or 7. So that is equals to 78.5 multiplied by 70. 7 5s are 35, 3 carried. 7 8s are 56 plus 3, 59, 9 return, 5 carried. 7 7s are 49 plus 5, 54. Okay, and 1 0 will be at the end, right? There is total 1 decimal digit, so I have to give a decimal point over here. So the number is 5495, means 2 multiplied by 5495. This is the total surface area. Therefore, total surface area of the closed cylindrical drum is equals to this 5495. I have to multiply by 2, right? 0.0, so not required. 2 5s are 10, 1 carried. 2 9s are 18 plus 1, 19, 1 carried. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9, 2 5s are 10. So 10,990. All of the units are given in centimeter. We found area. Area is written in centimeter square or square centimeter. Units are given in centimeter. So I am going to write it as 10,990 centimeter square. This is the rough part. Okay guys. So please note down the example as I have to write question number 3 on the board. Students, next question is question number 3 from practice set 16.2. Lesson 16. Volume and surface area of standard 8 of Maharashtra State Board. So let us see what is the question is. Question is find the area of base and radius of a cylinder. So what we have to find? Directly we can write find part. Area of base of cylinder, right? As well as second thing we have to find radius also. So radius of base of cylinder. These two things we have to find. Let us see what is given. Find the area of base and radius of a cylinder if its curved surface area is 660 square centimeter. So what is given? Curved surface area is equals to 660 square centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. Height is equal to 21 centimeters. So this much information is given. Guys, what first thing do we have to find? Area of base of cylinder. Base of cylinder is circular, that is a circle. So we have to find out area of that circle. What is the formula for area of circle? Area of circle is equals to pi r square, where pi is a constant 22 upon 7 or 3.14. In this example 3.14 is not mentioned, so we can use 22 upon 7. So pi is constant, r square means to find out the area of base of cylinder, r or radius of the base is required. Is it given? No. Is there any clue given? That we will see. What next thing we have to find? A radius of base. Okay, that radius we have to find, which we are going to use it here. Means now we have to see, is there any clue to find out radius of this cylinder? Based on this we can find out radius based on that clue, as well as based on this radius we can find out area. Means as this area is written first in the to find part, we have to find out this radius first and then only we can find out the area. Means just remember one moral: whatever is the order of the question, that doesn't matter. Order of the logic is required, important. What is the logic? Radius is required to find out the area. So though it is written later, we have to find it first. So let's find radius. Okay, but is there any clue given to find out radius? So what is given? Curved surface area and height. Curved surface area. What is the formula for curved surface area? CSA is equal to 2 pi r h. Okay, how many values? CSA 1, radius second, height third, because 2 and pi are constant. So among these three, if two values have been given, we can find out third, right? CSA given, r we have to find, h given. So based on this we can find out r. So let's find curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. Therefore just replace the values in the formula. CSA is equal to 660 is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r not given multiplied by h. H is equals to 21. Clear guys? Now 21 and 7 we can apply test of divisibility. So that is equals to 2 multiplied by 7 on the 7, 7 3 the 21. 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by r multiplied by 3. Therefore r is equals to 660 divided by, right, 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 3. 22 3 are 66. So 22 1 are 22, 22 3 are 66. This 0 will be as it is. So r is equals to 30 upon 2 into 3. 3 1 are 3, 3 10 are 30, 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10. Therefore r is equal to 5 centimeter. So students, we have found r, radius of cylinder. Radius of cylinder is nothing but radius of base, that is means same radius all over the cylinder. So based on this radius we can find out area of base of the cylinder, which is circular. As it is a circle, we have to find out area of circle, which area radius is equals to 5 centimeters. Therefore we can say area is equal to pi r square. Just replace the values, that is equals to 22 upon 7 into r we found 5. So 5 square is equal to 25. R square is equal to 5 square. So I will write 5 square. That is equals to 22 upon 7 multiplied by 25. This 22 upon 7, 25 is not divisible by 7. But 22, if we will divide it by 7, automatically it will be equals to 3.14. That's why these two values of pi are same. So 3.14 multiplied by 25 is our final answer. Therefore area of base is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 25. we have solved same in the previous example, question number 2. So area is equals to 78.50 or 78.5 centimeter square or square centimeter. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I hope you have understood concept explained in this video. You might have learned something new through this video. Friends, if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So every time I will upload a new video, you will get the notifications about it and you will not miss any of the concept of this simple subject. Thank you very much.